How open is your heart? That's my question for you today. And if the answer is not very, or it's just not, I invite you to think about what that is also closing you from in your experience of life. Could you have deeper, more meaningful relationships? Could you have bigger, better adventures? The list could go on. So, if you are in this stage where you are ready to heal and open your heart, I just invite you to consider attending my workshop at the end of the month. It's called Getting to the Matter of the Heart, and it's all about healing and reopening the heart for a greater expression of life. And I will be teaching this in person at Susanna Farms, which is gorgeous. Horses, goats, chickens, fresh air. It's in Lakeville, Illinois, which is in northeastern Illinois. And it will occur on Saturday, July 30th. And it's a 2-hour workshop starting at 10 a.m. We'll talk about these things and ways to overcome past heartaches and disappointments and how to move forward. So if this sounds exciting to you, or even if it sounds scary, then I think it's still for you. Please consider joining us. Just go to livelifespiritual.com, click on workshop, and you can register right there. And it has a bunch of information. There's also all of my contact information and social media on the site. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out in any fashion that works for you. And if you like the idea of this workshop and you can't make it, join my email newsletter. You'll get a free meditation with that, or any of the social media to keep up to date with what we're doing, including on YouTube, to be the first to get this information when I post videos. So hope you will join us. And again, any questions, reach out. And I invite you to look forward to this day with an open heart.